Hi everyone, this is Vanessa Nielsen with Master Stager Paola Pafumi. Happy holidays is sneaking up on us, and we thought we'd share some special holiday decorating tips. And it's things that we can find throughout the home, throughout the backyard, in your neighbor's yard. We're gonna share some tips and some how-tos in this tutorial today.
Yes.
All right, take it away. What are we starting with?
We start with the centerpiece, and with easy things you can buy this from Home Depot, very cheap, probably less than $2.
I'll go for that since lumber used to be so expensive, but it's calmed down a little bit.
And also you can buy this 2x2 also from Home Depot.
So this
you can
piece
buy
is about a little bit over a foot.
Yeah, so I'm gonna use it as a base. So you'll have some kind of a
Raised a foot.
footed centerpiece. We're gonna use some leaves.
Oh, fallen leaves. How
Fallen
perfect.
leaves. Get your kids to go look for
Gather.
those.
Or your gardener. Or your husband.
And I suggest to, when you bring them home, then press them. Just put it under something heavy, and
Like a
it can
book?
be a book or a magazine, and put something heavy on it so they stay flat.
And then what else do we have?
And then we're gonna use some dry, this is a type of bamboo. Then we have some hydrangea that it's actually getting drier. So even if they're not, you think they're not particularly pretty, but they actually look good in a composition. And I'm trying to avoid using any plastic items. I would rather use everything from nature.
All natural. And then this is semi-dried, but it's still very workable.
Yes. Then we also have some kind of it's like a greenery I have in my yard. It actually becomes like a weed, but it's actually very pretty and it lasts very long time. Plenty of rosemary. Smells good.
Smells great. So this will add fragrance to your room, your table. Makes me want to eat the arrangement.
Then we're gonna have maybe some of those magnolia leaves. They're also very nice, double-sided, very velvety.
It feels
And they
velvety
last.
on the underside.
Yeah, you can actually buy them also preserved.
Oh,
we're
and
gonna
some
have
pumpkins.
pumpkins.
All right, the flat
Pumpkins.
pumpkins
Pumpkins.
of all sorts. Pumpkin,
Also.
squash, pumpkins.
Maybe some those you will have to buy.
Sunflowers, yeah.
Sunflowers.
So I'm seeing fall colors.
Yes. So this is just one idea for a composition that you can make easily.
All right, let's get started. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have Paola take it from here. Okay, tell me about this hot glue gun. This seems to be one of your favorite tools.
Yes, this is my best friend. A nice glue gun. You can rest at 2 voltages, 60 watts and 100 watts. I suggest you use 60 watts because 100 watts it's very, very hot.
And it gets smoky.
And it's smoky and smells bad, so you have to keep all your windows open. And very easy to burn your fingers. And as a glue gun sticks, I suggest you buy the Gorilla Glue brand.
Gorilla Glue.
Those are the best.
It's actually nice and long, and it's not the shorter kind. So with the shorter kind, you normally want to stick in another glue gun to kind of push the first one in, but this one doesn't require that. And it'll last you a longer time.
one more piece. This is gonna be the last one, and that's gonna be your honor.
Awesome. I was wondering how you were doing. I came to check up on things. All right, so I want to apply it at the butt. All right, I think I got it. Hopefully it'll stay.
You got it.
Okay, folks. So
Now
this
we're
is.
gonna set the table.
Let's set the table. Okay, this is Paola's masterpiece. I'm not taking any credit for this, but you can see how beautiful it is. And I do love the fact that the base makes it so easy to pick up. Brilliant idea. So the next series to this is how to set your table. So we'll be adding this to the table, but we're also going to show you how to set the table with dishware, silverware, whatever it is that you have around the house. So stay tuned. So now this is part 2 of how to create an awesome festive table setting. So we're gonna be setting tables with dishware that we found in our cupboards.
Yes.
I have a question for you. So would you recommend a tablecloth or no tablecloth?
I think for this type of arrangement is a little more rustic. So I think you can avoid using tablecloth. But it's a little more formal, but you can still use if you have like a lace old tablecloth, and you can ruffle up. And
So we'll be styling it, but also I think when you have a dining table surface that's a little bit roughed up, a little bit too scratched, I think a tablecloth might be helpful.
yes.
So as you can see here, this is your grandma's sexy doily macrame tablecloth. I mean, this is so versatile. It could work as a scarf, you know. So,
Yes.
yeah, as a scarf, or it could work as a curtain, or it could work as a tablecloth. In this instance, it's not big enough to cover the table, and it's unnecessary with the live edge table that we have. So we'll be using it as a runner. There it is. It's wide enough, but again, it's not long enough. So then we'll be styling it up.
Yep.
Make the runner a little bit narrow because you don't want it getting in the way of the plates. This adds a fun texture to the composition. This candle is not real, however, it is made of real wax, but it's battery operated and it's a little bit safer when little kids are around. Okay, so first we start with a placemat. This one is from Paola's trip to Portugal. It's got beautiful embellishments on it, but the color is going to be a little bit too crazy for the centerpiece. We don't want to take the attention away from the centerpiece, and we're going to flip it to the plain side. And the next step is the charger. This is just for added color. Okay, and the next layer is this beautiful plate that's in Paola's cupboard. And the next layer is the final serving layer, which is a salad plate. Next, we're gonna wanna wipe our lips. Some fancy napkins. These are cloth napkins with a little bit of a hint of a doily, your grandma's doily, but these are very fine classic linen. So remember this? So this was from the backyard. It's a vine and it's what we've used in the composition. And let's cut some up and tie it around the napkin. Just tie that little twig around. Okay, so I have a bunch of different wine glasses, drinking glasses, what have you. This guy is for champagne. This guy is for red wine. This is for white wine. This is your drinking glass for the non-alcoholics or for the children. Non-alcoholics. For the non-wine drinkers. All right. All right, to make it a little bit easier, you can put water in here or sangria. These are actually handmade by our own Paola Pafumi. And it's nice to kind of stay within the same family tone, a little bit muted, not too bright, because again, the centerpiece is the star of the show tonight. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Special thanks to Ms. Paola Pafumi and her creative designs and her pieces. There's always projects coming up even before holidays. So stay tuned, guys. Again, please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and add your comments down below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to add them and we'll get back to you. Take care. Happy holidays. Bye.